So the fastening on the cover will come off with the Swiss Army knife. That's like a little W shaped. I don't remember what those are called, fasteners, but we need to break the ground and power on the sender. And the whole thing is just turning. Alright, yeah, this takes those out just fine. And they were sort of loose. Alright, one more and they'll all come out. Alright. We gotta get these sender wires off. This will get one on. That's the ground for the sender. Don't lose these screws. And this one off. So I need it's a double nut. So, put some friction on the bottom. Of course, we're doing this without tools. Yeah, I have every tool there is. What the fuck is that? It's something. We don't spin it out. I just hold this. There we go. Alright, yellow was to the middle, black was to the edge. Go figure it. I hit all this with carb cleaner to clean off the top and just destroy the paint. Go figure. It's good to know that carb cleaner will actually destroy paint these days. Clear. Rotten old gasket. Get a new one of those. Fuel sender unit with a screen and a pickup. And here's the old rotten gasket. Get all this shit out of here. Last time I put this on was like 2003. It's a cork gasket. It's completely rotted out. Get that shit out of here. We'll stuff it with a rag. Well, that worked. Here's the fuel sending unit. This is a brass float. It comes up and down. Yeah.
top, and this is a filter pickup. Well,
Sweet.